How to do NGL on Facebook. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do NGL on Facebook. First, go to the NGL app on your mobile device. Here, tap on Copy Link. This will copy your NGL link. Once the link is copied, close the NGL app. Now, open the Facebook application. Here, tap on What's on Your Mind to add a new post. Tap on the screen and paste the link that you have copied. You can also add additional text, feeling, or activity if you want. Once you're done, tap on the Post button to post it. It will be shared in your feed. That's how you can do an NGL link on Facebook. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.